You just poured the buckwheat flour in there?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay, let's see what else we're gonna put in here, okay? Hold on. Did you pour that all in?
Yeah.
All right, that's a half a cup, okay. Who's my little baker today?
This?
Hmm? You're baking?
Mm-hmm.
What are you making?
I make cupcake and
You're making cupcakes and what?
I make cupcakes.
Cupcakes and what? Look at Grandma. What are you eating?
I'm eating candy.
What kind of candy?
A mouth.
What's the name of it?
I'm eating candy.
What's the name of it? Cranberries.
Cranberry.
Mm-hmm. And what are you making?
I'm making cupcake and cookies.
Cupcakes and cookies, because you're such a great baker, huh? And what's your name?
I'm a store.
Oh, you go, girl. All right, so we're going to finish making.
I want cranberries.
You want more cranberries?
Mm-hmm.
All right, look at you like a big baker. You got all this buckwheat flour and stuff all over your face. Huh?
My face.
Yeah, so what we've got in here, we've got all our dry mixture. And then we're going to whisk the butter and the sugar over there.
Sugar over there?
Yes, and you're going to do it. You're going to help Grandma, okay?
Okay.
All right. Stir it up, girl. Stir it up, Capri. Queen Califia. Queen Califia. Who's the queen? Who's the queen?
I want crown.
Huh? You want your crown?
Mm-hmm.
You have to bake first and then you want to put on your crown before you bake?
Mm-hmm.
You want to get your crown now?
Mm-hmm.
Go get your crown.
Okay.
You put on your crown?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your crown. You go, girl. You got your crown. Right? That's a beautiful crown because you are a queen.
I'm a queen.
Mm-hmm. And you're stirring it up? All right, so let's finish the other half.
I want more cranberries.
You want more cranberries?
Uh-huh.
Can we finish and then we make some more cranberries?
Yeah.
And we're going to put some cranberries in here too, okay?
And here?
Yes, we're going to put it into the cookies.
Cookies.
Yeah. All right. Go, Califia! You go, Califia! Who's doing that? Who's doing that? Oh my God! Take your time, take your time, take your time. Okay, pour the egg.
Put the egg.
Pour it in. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now put it in.
Yeah, pour it in.
Okay.
Good girl. Who's the best? You are. You're the best granddaughter in the whole world.
Whole world?
Yes, you are. And then we are going to lift that like that. See that? You want to hold it? You got to hold it down because it's going to splatter. Hold it with both hands. Hold it with both hands. Yes. Get that flour. And we're going to add a little at a time in here. It's looking nice. Get some more flour. Go, girl. Like
Sugar.
it in there. What's that you're putting in the batter? Capri. You're eating the cranberries?
Uh-huh.
You're supposed to put them in the cookies. You're supposed to put them in the cookies. Put them in the cookies. I think that's funny, huh? You're a hot mess. You've got stuff all over. Like you've really been doing a job. Okay, let's get this ball rolling. Pour it in. Pour it in. Capri! So we won't have any cranberries in the cookies, huh? Pour it in and I'll give you some more. Pour it in and let me give you some more. Good girl. Good girl. Let me see your mouth. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna fold this in. All right, let Grandma help you, hold on. And you're adding flax seeds now, right? Good girl. It's gonna give us a lot of fiber, right? And make these cookies really nice and kind of healthy, right? Okay. It's too heavy?
Huh?
It's too heavy? Gonna try and stir. We're gonna add a little bit of water or milk in here, okay?
Water, milk?
Yeah. Okay, so because it's a little stiff, we just added a little bit of water and we added some, what's this? Some slivered almonds and some oats and cranberries, and she's eating all the cranberries. So I guess I'm on my own right now, right? Are you still gonna help Grandma? You're still gonna help me, or are you gonna eat your cranberries? Which one?
Put it there.
Don't put your cranberry in there? And what are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna put it there.
And then what?
Put it there.
Oops. That's okay, we got a whole lot more cranberries.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So what are you gonna do when you keep it in there?
I'm gonna keep it.
You're gonna put it in the cake?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pour it in the cake. I mean the cookie.
Cookie?
Mm-hmm. Pour it in the cookie. Because we have to put it in the oven because we're done now.
Done now?
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna give it a stir and then we're gonna scoop it out and put it into the oven, okay?
Okay.
So let's do that. Good girl. You're such a great helper. You are such an awesome helper. Yes, you are. And how much is that? That is another half a cup of cranberries.
More cranberry.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Are you gonna put it in the cookie or no?
I'm gonna eat it.
You're eating it? I thought we were gonna put it in the cookies, but that's okay. You can eat it. You can't do that. You just have to squeeze it, Capri. This really big one is gonna be for you. Just squeeze it like this. See how super sized that one is? So you get the biggest one. And you're still eating your cranberries, right? She's rationed the cranberries. And we're gonna put the cookies in the oven.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna put the cookies in the oven.
Uh-huh.
Look at Grandma.
Okay, Grandma.
Look. Look at Grandma. Not looking at Grandma?
I'm looking for you.
Hmm?
And one for you and me.
One for me and one for you?
Mm-hmm.
That's very nice of you. Which one's yours and which one's mine? Which one's for me?
This and this and
Which one's for me?
this.
The big one? The little one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Why do I get the little one? I'm the bigger person. How come Grandma gets the little one? Alrighty, thanks anyway. Now look at these beautiful, beautiful cookies. I baked them off and for about 12 minutes transferred them to the cooling rack so they can cool. When they come out, it looks like it's really soft, but once it cools, you know, it kind of hardens the way a cookie is supposed to be. And these are gluten-free cookies. I can crunch. Eat the cookies, Califia. Nice and crunchy. Now I wish I had put some, I wish I had added a lot of ginger because I love ginger, but these were like some experimental gluten-free cookies, so I'll know how to put my magic on it next time, but they are absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed.